Yeah, I think we're rolling. Got my sunglasses on, I can't see. Welcome back, folks. Let me tell y'all what's going on this weekend. I'm gonna have you another Oshkosh video of our beach ride. Yeah, we're down here at the Crystal Beach in the Bolivar Peninsula area. Try my new hat. Anyway, so we're the first ones on the beach. Let's see, yeah. Got the compound set up already. Got to be the first ones here. Weather's great, a little overcast when we got here, so it's great. We got to set everything up and it wasn't squelching heat. And we're gonna have us a good time as always. Everybody gets to come down and hang out. It's like a big family reunion. People that don't make all the races and stuff, at least come out and hang on the beach, sit around, barbecue, and crank some tunes. Everybody has an awesome time. Then we go for rides. You know, we either go that way or we'll go that way, obviously. I mean, we'll swing you around, take a look at the beach down here. Look at this. And there's Galveston Island, if you want to look it up. That's way over there. You got to take a ferry, cross over to Galveston Island. That's highway like 87. Anyway, it's kind of windy. Hope you can hear me. Nice, pretty beach line. People down here flying some kites. But anyway, yeah, we got the first spot here. So that's what we're doing this weekend. And got to come over here right quick. Let me turn this thing off. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, yeah, we're back rolling again. So, one of my subscribers, I'm not gonna say his full name, you know, to keep things confidential, but anyway, Mr. Robert, you had that special request, sir, and I'm here to grant that special request. You wanted to see the Thunderbird. Now, I don't have the car here, obviously, but I did bring the Thunderbird because it's very cool to cruise on the beach. It's filthy, it's dirty, because it gets ridden a lot, especially on the beach. But anyway, by your special per request, you wanted to see the famous Thunderbird. Let's take a gander at her. Nothing fancy. Got the factory wheels that are on it. I got new shocks, those from Go Power Sports. Little mod hopped up motor. Got a little mod too with some 22-pound springs on it. Got the factory tank, which is all serviceable. I did put some small ape hangers on it. Got my cushy seat. Did change the sprocket size on the back. But anyway, got half of the Go Power Sports chain cover. It wouldn't fit the rest of the way. It was too long, so I ended up cutting that one down. But anyway, there you go, sir. Oh, and anytime you're down here, you always got to get your parking tag, which this one is like from last year, whatever, year before last, I don't know. Oh, fancy little Maltese cross thing that I cut out a long time ago, and I had it laying around. I was like, that'd look cool, some little skulls. But it does match the color of my car. So maybe next time I'll get the car and the bike out closer together and show you that. But anyway, sir, you wanted that request of that there mini bike, Mr. Robert. And greatly appreciate you watching all the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And anybody else got a special request, hey, drop me a line. Drop me a link down below. But anyway, I'm gonna get over here and chillax with the wife, wait for some more folks to show up and get hydrated and sit here and listen to the beach. So y'all stay tuned. We'll have some more footage of some mini bike stuff going on later on. Hang on, folks. All right, got y'all a little more footage. We're down here at the Crystal Beach again, and we're just chilling and having a good old time. I don't have the rights to any of this music playing, just so YouTube knows. But anyway, what's up, brother? Hey, good brother.
Man.
Jonathan, we having a good time, man, or what?
Doing? We're good. We're doing good. Actually, we're trying to keep an eye out for the breeze and the lull.
The weather, yeah, the lull, because apparently
when the breeze comes in, the lull comes in, man, and it starts to rain. So
right, and the weather's been like crazy, man, like ridiculous crazy.
Squall after squall, but you know what? The sand is great. It's packed. The people are nice out here. They're very friendly.
And we're having a good time. The main thing is we're having an awesome time.
Most definitely.
Yes.
We couldn't have a better crowd, better people. Hey, how you
Everybody's
doing?
so friendly. Everybody like waves at everybody on the beach.
Most definitely. And you know what? The people that we have with us,
yeah,
like
we're gonna spin them around here.
It's all golden, man. This
everybody wave.
We have so damn. Yeah. Look at that. This
yeah.
Mini bike love. And
yeah. If you ain't on the beach with your fellow brothers and sisters having a good old mini bike time,
you gotta be somewhere having a good time.
Yeah.
Because if you're not having a good time,
what's up, brother?
Say, man. Say.
Yeah. You having a good time, man? Tell him your name. Tell him your name.
Timber Lindsay from Alto, Texas. Come on with
Where
it.
you at from again?
Hey, Alto, Texas.
Alto,
man.
Texas, man.
2 hours, man. It's just a good time.
Yep.
Love
Anytime,
fun, son.
anytime hanging out on the beach is a good time, ain't it?
Hey, the best.
The best time. Well, you heard them, man. That's it. Like I said, I don't own the rights to this music playing in the background. We're out here having a good time. The weather's been crazy, man. We set everything up, and then oh, Jonathan fixed to take him a rip. That brother's a nut, man. But good old time down here. Weather, like I said, the weather's been extremely crazy. We set everything up. He called the next morning and said, "Oh man, you need to come down here. your whole compound is laid over sideways." So check it. Oh, he lost it. Anyway, the whole tent and everything was just like completely destroyed. The wind just like destroyed everything. Yeah, cracker boy. So, but anyway, we're down here chilling, having a good time. Everybody's hanging out. So if you missed the Crystal Beach party this year, man, I'm sorry to hear that. But we are down here chilling. So we're gonna get back to socializing, having a good time. Yeah, he gave me a... Yeah, I got an earful of sand on that one. Boy, if that'd be anybody else, I'd hit him in the head with a brick. I might hit him in the head with this GoPro. And he lost it! Geared a little too high. Oh, we got cars coming by. Come on by. Yep, too high gear. How y'all doing? Oh, he's new, first time. Let me wipe this camera lens off. Hold on, stay on focus. There we go. All right. Well, I got a mouthful of sand and an ear full of sand. Oh boy. Right there, oh! Booyah! Got it!
He finally flipped it. I've been waiting on it all day. He finally flipped it. The funny part was earlier.
Oh man, got a mouthful of sand, an earful of sand. Good times. Oh wow. All right, we're gonna go back over to cheer for a little while and get some grub on and hang out with some other cool people and see what's going on. Woo! Woo!
What is done, baby?
Good times, brother.
The clutch is gone.
Did you smoke it?
I think the second gear is gone. You saw me.
Yeah.
What's that? So yeah, the clutch is
I
gone.
thought I smelled clutch.
But still, it was the best time I've had in this whole year.
Yeah.
Been waiting
Awesome.
for it so long. It was great to waste the clutch on this.
heads.
Can't wait to do it again.
Right? Always, every time next year.
Yes, sir.
Look at that awesome sunset. Pretty cool.
I hope you got that crash.
Oh, I got your crash.
How about this? Just don't step in the car.
Get royalties, I better get a 50 cents.
Hey, I'm still waiting to get my first quarter from YouTube, man. Maybe one day.
Sorry, guys.
That's why I need your follows, your likes.
Follow,
Y'all
like.
subscribe. Yeah, everybody needs to subscribe, like, and follow.
I mean, what do we gotta do? Do we gotta start destroying stuff?
Maybe so. I mean, set stuff on fire to get more.
I like fire.
Yeah, we might have to. We're gonna start burning stuff.
We can destroy some stuff. We can.
Yeah. We need to do something. If everybody likes it, we need the followers and the subscribers. But
Maybe
anyway.
you need to like take a motor and just rev it out to the end of it, just to one,
See how long-
2, 3, to see how long.
see how it blows up?
You know what? Take each cam and do a test on each cam. Get a cam per block.
See
Until
how
it
long?
blows.
See how long they last.
I would say give it about 2 minutes per cam and see which one blows first.
It's not a bad idea.
And then and then you can actually, from that way, you can differentiate from your RPMs to what you want, power ratio, and everything else. But I tell you what, though, I love blowing up a motor.
Let's start with yours.
Go Power Sports.
Yes.
We love y'all.
Yeah, we need some motors to blow up.
We need some Tillies.
Yep.
Some Tillies.
And blow them up, see how long they last.
Regular people will love.
Y'all hang on. We'll be right back after these brief messages.